Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to share you how to use concert pitch. Okay, first you have to use an instrument that is transposed pitch. Yes, transposed instruments like clarinet, trumpet in B flat. So the key signature on the clarinet and trumpet is on D. Okay, how to use the concert pitch? Just click this, tick the mark, and let's copy like this and back to the transposed pitch. See, it's very easy. Okay, another example, we add horn and okay, we add another instrument. Okay, like trumpet. Let's click concert pitch. Let's copy. And back to the transposed pitch. Done. It's very easy and it's very quick. See you on the next video and bye.